Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you DocuSign how to create CSV spreadsheet in Excel. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now creating a CSV spreadsheet in Excel is easy. What you need to do is head over and open up your Excel app. Then once you're inside here, what you need to do is simply create a new CSV file. Then all you gotta do is enter in your data in rows and columns just like you would in any spreadsheet. Then once you are done, all you gotta do is tap on the three dot icon on the top right corner of the screen, and then you'll find an option that says save or share. Simply tap on that, and then once you tap on that, you can choose where you want to save the file. In the save as type drop down, select CSV. Then once selected, click on save. Now once you are done with that, all you gotta do is head over and open up your DocuSign app. Then tap on the plus icon on the bottom of your screen. Then tap on request signatures, and here what you need to do is upload the created Excel file, and then once you're done with that, follow the on-screen prompts to successfully complete your work. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.